Hello everyone, welcome to all. In this session we will discuss about modulus. Generally, modulus is a term which is used to define the relation between stress over strain. Modulus can also be defined as the ratio of stress over strain. Generally, modulus of any material or any object or any component is used to define the elasticity of an object or rigidity of an object. So sometimes it is also known as modulus of elasticity or modulus of rigidity. There are various types of modulus. We can classify modulus of elasticity or modulus of rigidity in three types. The first one is Young's modulus of elasticity. The second is bulk modulus of elasticity, and the third one is shear modulus of rigidity. Young modulus of rigidity or Young's modulus of elasticity is defined as the ratio of longitudinal stress or lateral stress over longitudinal strain or lateral strain. It means Young's modulus is a term which is used for a stress or strain related to tensile or compressive stress or related to normal stress. Bulk modulus of elasticity is related to volumetric stress over volumetric strain. It means if there is a change in volume, then we will describe the modulus as bulk modulus. The next one is shear modulus. Shear modulus of rigidity is defined as the ratio of shear stress over shear strain. These all three types of modulus is described by different names. Generally, Young's modulus of elasticity is known by term E. It is denoted by term E. Bulk modulus is denoted by V, and shear modulus is generally denoted by G. There are also various types of terminology, but we are discussing few of them. So modulus is a term which is generally used to define the elasticity or rigidity of a body and is generally described as ratio of stress over strain. Thanks.